Franklin vision has always been very clear, is to bring a reliable, seamless, and intelligent energy solutions to the homeowner. Right? So in the next 5 years, we're looking to expand our impact, redefining a new industry standard, and delivering energy freedom to more households in the U.S.
Having U.S.-based assembled product benefits our customers in multiple ways. Improves supply chain reliability by eliminating weeks of ocean transit and port congestion. It gives them the additional flexibility to meet the rapidly changing demand from their customers while staying in stock positions. Our installing customers benefit from U.S. assembled product by having the exact same reliable products that they have been installing and selling to their customers for years, with the added confidence and pride of knowing that these products have been assembled in the United States by highly skilled and trained American workers.
Here in our new automated facility, we'll be hiring Americans to complete highly skilled and trained positions to build our products to the exacting standards and reliability we always have.
Bringing production close to home allows us to maintain strict quality controls, accelerating product innovations, and delivering the most reliable energy storage product in the market. Our U.S. manufacturing process ensuring cutting-edge technology are being tailored for American homeowners. Our commitment to local productions is an investment in Americans' jobs and workforce development. By supporting skilled labor and fostering economic growth, Franklin is contributing to a strong and self-sustaining U.S. energy sector.
We look forward to you joining the Franklin Ho Home family.